once again, we're doing another review on the new Toyota Tundra. That's right, the 22. I love the new Tundra, and of course, you know I love the Bak Flip MX4. I like it a lot. Now, this one is a little different because this has a 6.5 foot bed, and I want you to see some of this, okay? So, before I go into opening this cover up, take a look at how nice this cover looks with this truck. First of all, before I open, I want you to take a look here. This is super tight. I'm pushing all my might, and it's really, really tight. Why is that good? Well, A, for keep the water out, and B, it keeps the bad guys out. So it's good that we have a real tight fit. Again, look how nice this is here, nice and flush. I love a flush cover. I think it looks better and it keeps the water out better. So let's go into look inside here, and hopefully it stayed open. Oh, let's see. It was open a second ago. We're going to try it again here. There we go. We got it open. Okay. Now, you have a left and right on this. So let's go ahead and, as you can see, it opens up in the passenger side, opens up in the driver's side, no problem. You do have the triple seal, which I like a lot. And it has a drainage system here, and I like that a lot as well. Now, a couple of differences, small differences, being a longer bed. This does not lock here, okay? You got a lock here, and a lock here, but not here. Longer beds like the 8-footers and 6.5 don't have that. No big deal. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up some more, and I'll show you some differences on the inside here. Okay, let's take a look how the rails are attached. Now, if you notice, there's no clamps. This is actually screwed into the side here. We're using the same hardware that came with the rails. So basically the rails are being lowered, so you still get to use them. And they're now bolted in here, which means this is going to be a lot stronger than just being clamped in there. I think that's a great thing. Now, if you look over, you can see the drainage system we talked about before. Now, you can drive with this partially open. Basically, you take this, you slide this a little forward, and voila, it's locked in here. You want to do both sides. When it's not in use, this becomes a handle, as you can see. Now, before I move this up again here, if you notice, it's got a camera system in here, and a lot of the new trucks have a camera. What's nice about the Bak Flip MX4, when this folds, it sits below the camera. So, as you can see, you're not blocking the camera, and that's real important. Again, these little things make a big difference. Also, if you look at the drain system, nice and tucked away in the corners there. You know me, I like them out of the way, and it's a nice, clean look as well. Now, if you're driving down the road, you gotta put your support system down here. You do have one on each side of the truck. Gotta do both sides. If not, you could get the wind on it. Even though the cab kind of blocks the wind, you still want to do both sides. When it's not in use, slide it up, and this locks right in here. Nice, clean, organized. All in all, if you look at the texture finish here and look at the bed, look how nice it all matches. Again, I like what they have done. I think it looks good. It functions good. Look how easy it is to use. Again, I love this cover. I think it fits good. It looks good. Again, when you close this, always push in the middle. Super tight. Looks like, I keep saying look good. It does look good. I can't help myself. Okay. If you like this and you say, you know what? Just like this customer, he saw one of my videos. He says, you know what? I like it. I want it. How do I get it? Well, you can come in our store like he did and buy it from us there. You can go to our website and buy it from there. You can call us so we can ship it anywhere in the country. If we install it for you, there's a promotion that's going on now, not forever, which is double the warranty. Like this has a 5-year warranty. It got doubled by Truck Here to 10 years. That's right. And we even put 1 year on the labor. Who does that? Well, we do it. Not too many people do that. So you got basically 3 warranties, 5 years from Back Industries, 5 years from Truck Here, and 1 year from us. Again, just an all great thing. This holds 400 pounds, and I do like the texture finish. I just think it looks really good. I keep saying it looks good. I can't help myself. Again, if you like this, you can give us a call. We'll help you out. And we do work with a firm. You notice on our website, you can see a firm, the financing company. If you don't want to pay all up front, you want to get this and make payments on it, you can do that. So again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. We love that. And subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the Bak Flip MX4 on the 6.5 foot 22 Toyota Tundra. Thank you.